In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize files by assigning colors to folders in Google Drive on a computer. Color coding is a quick way to spot what you need at a glance, group related projects, and keep your drive tidy without changing how anything is stored. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few simple tips along the way. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to drive.google.com. This works best in a modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If you think you'll use this often, consider bookmarking the page so it's just one click away next time. Next, sign into your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're in the one where your files live. After signing in, you'll land in My Drive, where you can see your folders and files. If your screen looks crowded, switch to List View or Grid View, using the toggle in the upper right corner. Choose whichever makes it easier to scan your folders. Now, locate the folder you want to color code. Scroll through My Drive or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the folder, right-click it. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works, and on some keyboards you can hold Control while clicking. In the menu that appears, click Organize, then choose the color you want for the folder. If you don't see Organize, look for an option like Change Color. Menu labels can vary slightly, but the function is the same. Pick a color that stands out and means something to you. For example, you might use green for finance, blue for work projects, and yellow for ongoing tasks. You can change the color anytime, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. This change affects only how the folder looks in your view. It doesn't change sharing settings or who can access the folder. Repeat this process for other folders as needed. Keeping a simple color system helps. Use a small set of distinct colors so your drive stays readable. If you ever want to return a folder to its default look, just open the same menu and select the standard color again. The folder's new color will appear immediately in Google Drive, making it easier to scan your files and focus on what matters most. That's how you can organize your Google Drive files using folder colors. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.